The clever fairy. One day, there was panic in the entire forest. Our babies! Our babies! Our precious little babies! What's the matter? Asked Flurry the fairy. We cannot find them! Cried all the mama hens. What? What do you mean, cannot find them? Where can they all go? Cried Flurry the fairy. We don't know. All we know is that you are the only one who can save them. Please help us. Flurry the fairy was so confused. Where could all the chickens be? She thought. She went to Woolly the wizard to ask for help. Woolly the wizard said, Answer the riddles along the way, and it will lead you to the chickens. Riddles? What riddles? Asked Flurry the fairy. Don't worry, little fairy. You'll figure it out. Flurry the fairy was very sad. I hope I can find the little chicks. Suddenly she saw something glowing. What's that? She went to investigate. She saw a shiny box in the green grass. She opened the box and found a note. Soft and flat. A place to sleep. What am I? What can that be? I know. It's a bed. B-E-D. Bed. You are correct. Then the shiny box points Flurry the fairy in the right direction. Flurry the fairy starts flying in that direction. Soon she realizes that she is flying over a huge ocean. Where will I find a riddle now? She thought sadly. Suddenly, a dolphin appeared out of nowhere. The dolphin jumped so high and gave Flurry the fairy a note. Flurry the fairy opened the note and read the riddle. My plate is clean, my tummy's tight. What am I now? I hope you're right. My plate is clean and my tummy's tight. Is it fed? Ed? Fed? You are correct, shouted the dolphin. Now just follow me. The dolphin swam so fast that Flurry the fairy was finding it hard to keep up. After following the dolphin for quite a while, he disappeared. Now what? Thought Flurry the fairy. Oh, great! I've reached land again. Hooray! Now I can look for another riddle, she thought. Suddenly, everything turned red. What's happening? Where am I? What's going on? Why is everything red? Flurry the fairy was terrified. Should I go back? She thought. No, I can't. Everyone is depending on me. I have to find the little chickens. I have to look for the next word from the Ed family. And suddenly she realized. Oh, red. R-E-D. Red. Is red the next word? Yes, it is, shouted a pretty bird above her. Follow me, and I will lead you to the little chickens. Flurry the fairy starts following the pretty bird. After a little while, Flurry the fairy heard a voice from the sky. There's one more riddle to solve first, shouted a cute little bear from the clouds. A young boy's name, a simple sound. In just 3 letters, he's easily found. Who is he? A boy's name? What could that be? Flurry the fairy started thinking. Is it Ted? T-E-D? Ted? Yes, you are correct, shouted the cute little teddy bear from the clouds. Suddenly, the pretty bird disappears into the sky, and a little boy starts waving at Flurry the fairy. Are you Ted? Asked Flurry the fairy. Yes, shouted the boy. "The little chicks are near Gary the Goblin's house. You better hurry. He is going to eat them for lunch." Florrie the fairy flew as fast as she could. Soon she saw all the little chickens on a large mud pot. The little chickens were so happy to see Florrie the fairy. "Let's get out of here," shouted Florrie the fairy. The little chickens quickly jumped on Florrie the fairy. Then Florrie the fairy carried all the chickens safely back home. "I'm glad you all are safe," said Florrie the fairy. "And always remember, reading can be magical." The end. For more videos like this one, visit our channel and subscribe.